per team.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County in north-central Texas until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near White Settlement, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Tarrant County, including White Settlement, Benbrook, and Fort Worth. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Crowley, and Forest Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for north-central Texas. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.